Let's show you to Grandma. You say hi to Grandma? Look. He's got one eye half open, the other eye open. I'm not sure what do you think he's looking at?
You?
No, he's looking this way.
He lost my picture for some reason. Okay, say hi. Hi. Katie just had his bath.
Yes, he's all clean. All clean.
Oh, he's just looking at you, Mom.
No, he's looking past me. What are you looking at? Look at these hands crossed. So cute.
Aw. Let's see his chest.
Oh! Say no, we don't want to show off our naked bodies.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi to Grandma. No.